Okay, I bought a Ring doorbell a few years ago and it died, and it would work for a day or two and it would die, and it would work for an hour or two and it would die. So I bought a new one, I installed it, and I took this old one, and there's a battery buried under the motherboard in these. This is an old Ring Pro doorbell, and you're not supposed to change it. The battery has a control board soldered onto it, so you would have to remove the old control board and solder it back to a new battery, which I did, and I reinstalled everything. This thing started up. It said, "Hi, this is Ring. Welcome to Ring. Set me up in your app." And then the wheel started spinning, and it said, "Ring doorbells in setup mode." So everything's working. How I'm testing this, and it probably won't continue to work, because once I turn the power off, it'll probably have to go through the whole setup process again. So I'm feeding it about 18 volts, which is what your doorbell transformer would do. And I laid it down next to real gold because I can. And let's see what happens when we set it up with the Ring app. Set up a device, doorbells, set up without scanning. This is a Ring Pro. That's my address. Let's call it the back door. I've already installed it. It's hooked to a mechanical dinger. Is it spinning? Yes. So now it wants me to go to the Wi-Fi settings. And there should be a network here called Ring. Yepper. And once it connects, it tells me to go back to the Ring app. And it is very slowly connecting to that thing.
Ring doorbell is connected to the Ring app.
And it's going to ask me if I want to.
Ring doorbell is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Okay, that's the app talking. Could be the doorbell talking too. So now it's connecting to my home network. And this is just the app. I'll go back to camera here in a minute. Actually, so you can see it is spinning like a normal Ring doorbell would do.
Your Ring doorbell is ready to go. With Ring, you're always home.
And it's updating the firmware. So let's let it do that. Although I updated the firmware a few minutes ago, and because I turned the power supply off, I'm reasonably certain that now it's got to go through the whole process again. Once you hook these things up to power, they expect to stay connected to power. The battery that I put in probably isn't fully charged. It probably needs to catch a little bit of a charge. So I'm going to leave this thing hooked up today and just see what happens. So that's that. I believe that I repaired this Ring doorbell. I'm going to confirm it, and I'll take it apart again and look at the battery and make sure the battery's not swollen or anything like the last one was. And then I'll install it somewhere. So thanks for watching.